right? I talk about making a community because in the world of vibe coding, all right, where is it? Where is it? Testing, token maxing. Uh-oh. Did I delete it? Or is this an old version? Let me check. Let's see. This, mono, Excalibur. Oh, yeah. Open. Token maxing, tokenomics. Planning, execution, testing, tech stack. Uh-oh.
Impressive.
I don't have the... Did I accidentally delete the marketing portion? Oh no, we didn't save the marketing version. Or did we? Let me check. There's one more. One more place. Excalibur. Sigma philosophy. No, I deleted the marketing content. I didn't save the marketing content, boys. Sorry. I'm sorry. We're gonna have to draw that again. Oh no. The downside of using Excalibur for describing stuff. Yeah. Sorry, guys. I guess I'm gonna make it again. Make it from scratch again. Yeah, make it from scratch again, guys. I don't see it anywhere. This is my game idea. How did I not memorize or see that anywhere? Ah, that's a pain. That's painful. I lost a lot of work. All right, let's just do this. I guess I'll explain it again from scratch. Yeah, let's continue. Sorry, I was thrown off. And man, I don't want this video to get long, because it's gonna get long, because I love talking about stuff. But when you make your own community, right, you're able to get your followers, and your followers, you know, eventually your followers, your soldiers, guys, eventually use your product. That's your vibe coding product. Your vibe product. Because one of the problems with vibe coding, guys, main problems, is no users. You got no users. Let's see. Users. Users? No users? Yeah. You got no users. And when you have no users, you know, how are you going to, how are you going to get big, guys? How are you going to get big and make that money? So it's really important to make your own community. And one of the main things that, you know, I do, at least I do most of the time, at least the techniques for this, for building your community. How to build a community? How to build a community? How? From scratch? You just build in public. Build in public, guys. I'm surprised I had 1,000 views. I can see the headlines already. banned from vibe coding by vibe coders. Yeah. Anyway, I build in public, right? When people build in public, people ask, you know, what are you making? What are you making? You know, and then you offer advice. Offer advice. You know, offer advice. And people, there's lots of people that want to learn how to vibe code, right? And so it really helps that in order to offer advice, you need to have years, you know, experience, mastery, seen problems before. And you're right 90% of the time. At least that's what I see. I don't think there's any other way that, hello, welcome. Nice to meet you, man. You're from YouTube? Prince, nice to meet you, Prince. I'm pretty much teaching how to, you know, create a vibe coding community, and hopefully this video doesn't get too long. But, like, I'm making this video. I just got banned, on the Discord subreddit, or the Discord for the vibe coding Discord. And I'm making a video of, you know, why you need to make your own community. And I'm teaching, why you need to make your own community as a vibe coder, because one is, you know, mods and automation can ban you, which suppress your content of sharing, you know, sharing your product. And then the other is for creating videos, having a Twitch or YouTube to build followers so you can't get banned. And in the end, be able to use your vibe coded product. Because ideally, when you're vibe coding projects and you want to make it big, you really can't with no users. So you have to start from there. And, you know, how do you build your you know, community? You usually, ideally, have to build in public, because when you build in public, eventually you'll grow. You know, I went from 0 to 177 subscribers, and then on Twitch, I went from 0 followers to 250 followers, became affiliate, got subscribers, and now have some, you know, daily viewers watching my stream all the time, right? And then I even go on the Discord. I have my own Discord, and people are able to. I have over 40, you know, people in my Discord that I built from nothing, and we all support each other. We all make our own vibe coding community that, you know, doesn't rely on platforms like Reddit to show that we exist, right?
Impressive.
And who knows if this post will get banned, but, you know, I think it's really important to show and to have a voice to, you know, create your own community so you won't heavily rely on other platforms to, you know, advertise your own product eventually, right? And this is all a big it's a part of marketing. Honestly, it's part of marketing as well. People need to market a product. I think marketing is a big problem, because marketing is a big problem, guys. Huge problem. It's a huge problem. Because when you have 0 users, it's really hard to actually get any customers. And that's also something that most people don't think about. Like, most people probably will build a product, and I'm guilty of this myself, in a silo. Build a product in a silo. Is there a silo? You know, they build it. Let's see, that's not a silo. Oh, this is the... Alright, this is silo. I could just do this. In a silo. You know, you spend months, days, weeks building this product, right? You put all your effort in. You put in your 100%. You put in your 100% in this project. You just put in 100%. You put your blood, sweat, and tears in this project. Hey, Carex, idea for background for your stream, okay? I'll look into it. I'm recording a YouTube video right now. I just got banned on the vibe coding Discord. So I'm making a video about it. Content head. So even though, guys, you build your product and you give yourself 100% and you know, work in a silo, you'll still have 0 users. You'll still have 0 users, guys. And it's, you know, one of the problems for vibe coding. Like, are people gonna, if you have 0 users, you know, how do you know if it's good? You know if it's good, right? How do you know if this product is good if you have 0 users, right? And then even if you post a video, will you have 0 viewers? 0 viewers from the start? But, you know, the algorithm might help. Help? I don't know, man. I'm not sure if the algorithm might help. I think you're still screwed. So the only way post content, or, you know, posts, is in an existing community. And in an existing community, you know, you have Reddit, Twitter, YouTube, forums, etc. And that's usually how you could start growing, or at least getting people to use your thing. But people are very skeptical, you know, these people here, skeptical, especially involving software. You know, there's all these things that could go wrong, like malware, doxing, what do you call it, etc. So people don't really install like untrusted software, because there is no trust here. No trust. But how do you build trust? How to build trust? It's showing. This was also removed from my other strategy too. Building trust. Trust. And it's so early for me. I have no voice, but I have no voice right now. I'm cold. I'm chilly, dehydrated, and I have to make this video to show my voice onto the YouTube algorithm gods. And let's see here. We have about this. Let's see here. Yeah, I was banned for no reason a few months ago, but be happy about it. This server is scammy. The last vibe jam I participated in here, they intentionally just listed unclear vibe coding goals, spread misinformation when having questions, and in the end of a bunch of people won who somehow magically adhered to the actual goal that they revealed at the end. If you know the owner, you definitely get preferential treatment. That serve has anything but vibes. Yeah. There's something wrong there, guys. Something wrong there. Anybody else say anything valuable? I don't know. Anyway, guys. So building trust. In order to build trust, guys, you need to be vulnerable. You need to show weakness. Let's do this. Oh, I should make these separate. Vulnerable. Vulnerability. Vulnerability. Oh my god, these gifs. Vulnerable. You gotta be vulnerable. Let's make this bigger. You gotta be right. Be right 90% of the time. And I already mentioned this earlier. If you're right 90% of the time, it's because you're an expert, right? Gosh. And what I mean by being vulnerable, this is building in public. Show weakness. Being human. Right? We're all human. We all have flaws, and we all at least admit it. Admit it when you're wrong. You admit it, and you'll be like, "Yes, I was wrong. I understand now. I understand now." And then when you're being right 90% of the time, guys, it's because you're an expert. And years of XP. Years of XP. And then you give out advice for free. Advice and teach for free. Man, I had more content on this for building trust. But it also, the concept of secret society trust is, that pretty much is being vulnerable. But knowing identities. All right. People who download my app already know my identity. Wow, Sigma, what did you make? Excalibur. Oh yeah, I added GIFs to Excalibur. Hey, Coffee. I'm making a video. I just got banned from the Reddit vibe coding Discord, and so I'm making a video on why it's important to create your own community. And you know, building trust is no easy feat, guys. Awesome. Building trust is no easy feat. And you know, turning a massive tragedy into success. Yeah. I already got a lot of traction, guys. If you can, would really appreciate an upvote before my account gets downvoted to oblivion for just posting this. So let me share this link with y'all, and hopefully, we could beat the hive mind, guys. We could beat the hive mind if we come together. Our community is a little small, but honestly, we gotta try. We gotta try to fight for ourselves, guys. Remember, guys. You're my soldiers. You're my soldiers, guys. Help fight for me. Help fight for me, guys. That's all I ask. If you want our community to be bigger, you gotta fight. You downvoted. Okay. Thanks, Coffee. Thanks. Anyway, I think if there's any more on this video that I want to say, it's, you know, I'm not giving up. Most vibe coders, the thing is, when you make your own community, guys, it's a sign that to not give up. It's a sign to not give up, because for the faint of heart, never give up. That's a better word. Because for 99% of the population, would give up once they get banned, guys. They'll give up once they get banned. You know? 90%. 99% give up. Give up. I am the 1%. The 1%. The 1%, guys, that keep going. The 1%, you know, keep going. All right? 1% keep going. The 99% give up. All right? And that 1% keeps SigmaShake going, baby. Take notes. All right, guys, I don't want to make this too long. Thanks for watching the video. I stream on Twitch and YouTube every day for 12 hours. And hopefully I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. All right. Video recorded, guys. Video recorded. Let's upload that video. The video's going to be fire. Hopefully, guys, let that I'll say file, but upload video. Damn, the hype. The hype. All right. Videos. Where'd that video go? They'll love it. Post low key. You should post an LSF subreddit. Okay. Let's see here. Where is my studio recordings? Man, I literally had to wake up to this, guys. I was gonna enjoy my lazy morning, you know? My lazy morning, just getting up, doing all my things, doing my prep. And from Discord. We're teaching vibe coding. All right. Let's do that. All right, we need to make another video. Let's see here. I need a thumbnail later. But let's see, save this, do this, next, schedule. All right. Yo, Sigma, you posted 6 years ago on LSF. Is this your second Twitch? No, it's not my second Twitch. This is my first Twitch I've ever done. But yeah. No, we'll see. We'll see, guys. We got lots of viewers looking at it. Lots of viewers looking at it. People are talking about it. What did you do to get banned? Like this is what I do. And on Discord, I just go to Discord, and then I just stream myself here, live streaming. I just stream myself live streaming the Twitch stream. And I don't think that's doing anything bad, right? That's not doing anything bad. But I'm getting lots of engagement, guys. 12 comments. 12 plus 13 comments, guys. Vibeception. You took over co-work session. W comments. Yeah, there's a lot of all right. I'll post a YouTube video. Self-promotion? No. How is it self-promotion? I'm just streaming myself vibe coding. This is it. And before the mods delete this post, yeah. They're probably sleeping, guys. They're probably operating at what day is it, guys? It's a Sunday. Yeah, they're still asleep, guys. But somehow I was still banned. Anyway, let's save this. Let's copy this. And let's put a picture here. Save. How can we help? Add a +1. Yeah, I will. Guys, if you could help my soldiers, just upvote this and comment, and upvote my stuff. Upvote just the post itself to get more engagement. And anyway, I think I'm gonna get the Excalidraw version of this. Open new. Let's open the, or let's see. Load this. All right. Let's go back to content. And then we're gonna paste this one. Uh-oh. That's not the right one. Open my existing one. Just copy this. And then we do this. Open this one. Let's go back to content. Paste this. Actually, delete this. Delete this, paste this. All right. And then save to. Band. Man, I gotta be very careful. Yes. And then export to image. PNG. Never give up. All right. And then I could edit this post. Then add a picture. Add a picture. Downloads. Excalidraw? No. This. Excalidraw. SSD. Mono. Mono. Where's my mono? All right. This Excalidraw. And then I just have the post. Then just have the post. All right, here. Complete. Uploads complete. Processing shortly. All right. And how should I do this? Ban from Reddit. I'm going to Discord. Not sure. Helping the community. Did you go AFK in the Discord? Everybody's AFK on the Discord. I went to go to sleep and I was vibe coding, and it came back. Either way, they should have just kicked me. If that was the case, they probably should have just kicked me instead of completely banning me. You know.
Impressive.
Helping the vibe coding community. Community comes at a cost. At a cost. But I'm doing my part to help all new vibe coders learn how to vibe code and market their and get their users. Get users from starting from nothing. Starting from nothing. Helping the vibe coding community comes at a cost. But I'm doing my part to helping new vibe coders learn how to vibe code and get users starting from nothing. Nothing. Started with 0 followers. Viewers, 0 viewers. What we learned? We learned that we need to make our own community, guys. No help. Solo. What happened? You got banned? Good question. Yeah. I got banned. Upvote my Reddit post. Save my Reddit post. Save this Reddit post, guys. Keep it alive, guys. Keep it alive. Don't let it die. Don't let it die. Where's this one? YouTube video? All right. Then, guys, we get the vibe coding tags. We get the vibe coding tags, you know, edit video. Titles. Let's copy all this. Titles. Vibe. Band. vibe coding. And vibe coding. Discord vibe coding. Discord vibe coding. And then, all right, next, do this. All right, after that, save that in cache. Then ChatGPT. Create a thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail. Banned on Reddit /vibe coding Discord server. Use my profile in Reddit. Yeah, use my profile image brand. All right, here it is. Add photos, pictures, screenshots. Bam. And then use the vibe coding profile in the image. Let's go here. Copy this. Save image. Vibe coding. Reddit. Downloads. Home downloads. Home downloads. Home downloads. Home downloads. All right. And then, all right. Put that there. And we got the thumbnail. Oh, we need a Reddit post. Reddit post. Oh, I also need to include that image too. Also include this image in the background. Mono, Scaladraw, never give up. It's Excalidraw, drawing, mapping out why you need to create your own community when, oh no. Oh no. It's an image of why you need to create your own community when vibe coding to market your product. Vibe coding, new meme guys, vibe coding. All right, so we have that. We got the video, we got the image, we got the tags. All right. We got the soldiers. We got my Sigma shakers. How many Sigmas are in here, guys? How many Sigmas are in here? How many Sigmas? We got 7 people watching. Awesome. All right. You're a genius at marketing. And then, oh, we have to include Reddit. Need to include Reddit, dude. Reddit. I bet this is good. This is good. I'm confused. So last night I was in Discord in vibe coding and I'm just streaming myself vibe coding. And I got banned when I woke up this morning. For no reason. I looked at my emails, I looked at my chat messages, it just showed I was completely banned. I tried to rejoin because I thought they just kicked me up from the server. And no.
Impressive.
Yeah. Being confused is the first step to learning something. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Um, next. All right, it's ready, but not yet. We're still waiting for the finalized answer. Wait, why is it trying to finalize an answer? Yeah, usually guys, this takes about 10 minutes. There's low-key slightly unk maxing, but I put respect on it still. Yeah. Bob coding. Oh, I understand. Yeah, so you were vibe coding Discord. Now they ban it. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Let's see here. Next. Okay. Anything else, guys? Come on. Generate it. Come on, ChatGPT. GPT, do your job. All right. I don't want to move on because I have high severe ADHD, and if I move on from this, I'll forget. I can already tell, guys. If I move on, if I do one thing wrong. So what did we learn today? We learned 1, to reach the 1%, never give up. And to be in the 1%, you gotta make your own community. When you make your own community, you get followers. Your followers are your soldiers. And your soldiers will be able to use your product. And the only reason why you need soldiers is because you have 0 users. And marketing is a huge problem when vibe coding projects. So when you build in a silo, you know, you will have 0 users. And how will you know if you have a good product if you have 0 users? So you need to post videos, but when you post videos, you'll have zero viewers from the start. And are you really going to rely on the algorithm? Kitty soldier? Yeah. So usually you have to post in the existing community, which is Reddit, Twitter, YouTube, etc. But the people are skeptical because of software. There's malware and doxing, and it's hard to get trust. So how to build trust? You gotta be vulnerable. You gotta build something in public, show weakness, be human, be right 90% of the time, give out advice and teaching for free, and knowing your identity. But overall, building a circle of trust. That builds your community. And when you build your community, mods and automation, that won't be a thing because it's yours. Your posts won't be banned or suppressed or hidden, and you'll be allowed to share your own product on your own platform. And then how to build in public? You gotta show what you're making, you gotta offer advice, and you also, in order to offer advice, you need to be a master. You gotta be a master. Let's see, anything here? Oh, it's taking a while, guys. Taking a while. Can you send me the YouTube vid? It's still processing, and I need to what do you call it? Let's publish. We can publish it. That's a really bad thumbnail. That's a really bad thumbnail. But I could say for the thumbnail, I'll just replace it with this one thing really quick. Simple. A simple thumbnail. Never give up. A never give up thumbnail, guys. Instead of this one. I can at least post a video on it. Should be on my YouTube now. If you guys want to view it early before the thumbnail. Oops, that's wrong. That's the wrong thing. My bad. Sorry, guys. I'm Unk. Okay, wait for the... It's okay to wait for the thumbnail. Okay. I'm an Unk. I linked the wrong thing. It's actually this one. Here we go. Banned. Japanese done. Okay. That's a fire. That's a pretty lit thumbnail. Not gonna lie, guys. That's a pretty lit thumbnail. Oh man, that's good. That's a good one, guys. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's content head. Alright, how do I view this video?
Impressive.
Shake my head. No, you're getting yourself banned? Yeah. I got myself banned. This is my video, guys, of the Reddit posts. Did I put the Reddit posts? Oh, I didn't put the Reddit posts. Ay, ay, ay. Save changes. Hey Zen, good morning. Good morning. I woke up. I had a bad rude awakening, guys. A very rude awakening. It's a rude awakening. Starting commute or recording. All right, we let it engage. We let it soak down the sauce. Video. I don't know if I support it. He's learning things. Hopefully, low. I rather not comment. My lesson for Reddit, guys. Don't create comments. Don't create comments. You'll just get downvoted. You'll just get downvoted. It's a weird scenario to be in, but you gotta I have to relax and not make a single not make a single comment, because if I write more comments, people will downvote that comment. So I'd rather just do the post, and then that's it. That's it. But definitely, guys, would appreciate if you guys could help me survive and upvote my post here. And yeah, I can finally move on. I got the post in. I got the content out. We pushed that one out hard, guys. We pushed that one out hard. Really hard. But we're trying. We're trying, guys. We're trying. All right. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Oh, low key, the diagram is maxing, but it's okay. It's okay. Oh. Hey, if you think it's okay, that means it's good. And being an unk is not bad. What will happen with downvote? Oh, don't downvote it, please. Keep uploading. Keep uploading. It's not okay, but it's okay from an unk standards. Okay. All right, new content, guys. Well, actually, last night, we're making a new game from scratch, and then when I woke up, I was banned. So, the thing is still being worked on. We're making a thing called Type Cart. The game is called Type Cart, and it's pretty much like Mario Kart and typing, and all of my viewers will be racing around in like a little track with little cars, and the more you type, the faster you are going around laps, and then you could race each other, and then you could race yourself. That was the game that I was making last night at 1 in the morning before I went to sleep. And then when I woke up at 6 a.m., I saw myself was banned, and I was like, what? And then I had to make this video. I had to make the video. Anyway. I had to make the video. Because that was just dumb. That was just dumb, guys. I have to make a video for myself, too. I don't need somebody else to make the video. I gotta make the video myself. And I used... Literally, the only AI that I used was that to generate the thumbnail, and that's it. All right, now I just need to post this on live stream fail, right? Live stream fail? Is that what it? Oh, the game is not ready yet? No, it paused. It paused on this part involving what do you call it? Planning. It was like. It did all this planning, and then it just said, did you want to execute on this plan? And I'm like, what? I told you to work autonomously. And I used /goal too. And so it froze. It froze. All right. The next thing we do, guys, is we create a new post in LSF. Actually, I could post here. Journey. Got banned from Vibe Coding's Discord. I could do this. I could update this. Oh, I could just do a link. Boom. Boom. All right. All right, guys, got my own community. And then I can always post that there. And then another part is live stream fails. Is this a live stream fail worthy video? Coffee? You have to tell me. You have to tell me. Or should I just post this on the Primogen? No, it's not for us, for haters. I haven't tell you. What about the Primogen? Could I post another Primogen? It won't perform in Primogen, but it's a better shot than LSF. Okay, got it. What's a good title for this? What's a good title? Guys, I've been watching Primogen for years. I think he would take the bait. Banned on r/vibe coding Discord for vibe coding. How about this? Is that good? What do people post on here most of the time? For streaming vibe coding session. How about this? Okay. Let's do some research. Post research. They want to sell your tokens. AI hype. I can use Claude inside my head. Chill out. What if I told you? Great firewall. I think, let's see, did they post anything right here? Streaming on Twitch, vibe coding 12+ hours every day. And still encounter this. Oh. Day working hard. And this happened. Then this happens. All right. I'll just do that. All right, we do that, and then we have X come. When did you record that video? Just this morning. just now. Just an hour ago. Just an hour ago. Where's that vibe coding community, guys? This card. Vibe Ruben. Let's do at Vibe Ruben. Post that view. All right, guys. See, we have our own platform. We don't have our own voice yet. We don't have a validated thing yet, but you know, we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. Oh, let's upload our image, pictures, screenshots. Let's do that. We could do this one. Let's do that. And message is not popping. Okay, I'll look into it again. All right. I got that. Why are these? This is cringe that these are short links. What is this? I don't know what Twitter does, but they convert all your short links into something cringe. Yeah, all the short links. There's just a whole point. I don't know why they convert short links. Man, that's so cringe of X to do that. They even remove your website. Oh, no, the website. Yeah. Boom. All right. Squeaky wheel, guys. The squeaky wheel gets the oil. All right. The squeaky wheel gets the oil. You probably heard about that a lot in the past, guys. But if you're noisy about it, guys, people will pay attention. And when people pay attention, that's when, you know, that's when people listen. But let's see if the post got banned. Not yet. Post not banned yet. It gets a lot of engagement. What else do we have here? We just gotta keep not giving up and keep spreading it, guys. Then email. Oh, give me a second. Oh, so let me go to your message. Let me go to your message. My message not popping. Some message not popping. Oh, the message is popping now. I think there's some delay, but we'll try to improve the delay again. Maybe it's because I didn't exit and come back. Let me try again. I closed and opened the chat, and hopefully the YouTube is a lot better for you guys. Does Bridgemine even have? No. Yesterday, banned from chess. What? Yesterday, we were afraid of getting banned. But you got banned for Discord, yeah. Yeah, exactly. Maybe I could just post this on... I'll just post it since in the Bridgemines thing. Does Primogen even have Discord anymore? I don't think so. So we get this, put this in here. All right, we could put in BridgeMind's Discord, just general chat, general. Oh my gosh, links aren't pasting because of this. I gotta just close this. All right, doing that. What else do I have? Vibe coding club. Let's do that. How many other ones? One more? Two more? Support? Casual chat? Well. Oh, I need to just, instead of typing this out every time, I just need to copy this. Let's go here. Let's go anything here. OpenAI chatter. ChatGPT discussions. Codex discussions. Dev chat. Other guys, we need to make the thing up here as much now, because if we don't now, we'll lose momentum. That's why we do this, and we have to promote ourselves, guys. No one's gonna promote us or promote me myself.
Impressive.
Okay. All right. Part of that. We're done. We done. And then, yeah. We posted it, guys. We posted it. We posted it. And we did. We reached out as much as we could. And we're not relying. This is from the perspective of not having any contacts with anybody, with zero contacts with nobody. All right, so we're coming from the angle of every other vibe coder out there. We're just like everybody else, guys. We're just like everybody else. We're just like everybody else. So when we're vibe coding, guys, we at least are trying to make some noise. You're grinding super hard, you're gonna get good for sure. Guys, we stream 12 hours plus every day. Every day, almost. At least I try to. I provide actual content. The stream is delayed? Okay. Or the YouTube is delayed. My bad. YouTube's a little delayed. Maybe, yeah. Maybe refresh possibly. Even though we're streaming at like at ultra mode to stream as fast as possible. But guys, I could keep I should keep what do you call it? The Excalibur open, just so that I have something to show when people pop in here. Because when people pop in here, guys, people pop in here, 15-second delay. What? Let me check. Let's see here. Oh, let's go to here. 15-second delay. That can't be right. That can't be right, guys. Oh, my bad. It's ultra low latency. My bad, guys. You know, let me do it now. I'll just end stream and then come back. Or actually, I need to make a new stream. Auto stop. It's because of this normal latency. I'm sorry. The only way for me to fix this is if I completely go offline and then I come back, which should take a second. Which should take a second, guys. Guys, if you're listening.
Impressive.
Hey, what's your LinkedIn? My LinkedIn? Why do you want to know my LinkedIn? Give me a second, guys. I'm just going to disconnect on YouTube and Twitch and then come back so I could have ultra low latency, okay? I'll be right back. I'll be right back, okay? Stop and stream.